Hello, Joy family. Welcome to the Joyful House and welcome to this edition of Caress of the Heart. This is project number 7, episode or update number 6. And I am happy to tell you that this project is completed. It is done. It is an FO. Before we jump into that, I do want to give a great big thank you and shout out to everyone that is participating in Caress of the Heart. I couldn't do this without you. It wouldn't be as fun without you coming along on this adventure with me and, sharing your projects week after week. So I just want to say thank you for that. If you are watching this for the first time, or if you have been watching this for quite some time and you're been thinking about it or haven't been thinking about it, I want to personally invite you to come join us with the Crafts of the Heart segment. And all that is picking a project that you really, really want to do and just working on it a little bit every week, putting it aside, and then picking it up week after week until it is done. You can do as little as 15 minutes or as much as 2 hours, but no more than 2 hours, because it's meant to be something that you just do a little bit each week and then share your progress. And I'll share it right here on this video every Wednesday. And then when you're done, we'll announce that it is finished, and then you can pick another project. So moving forward, project number 7 is done. As you know, I have done Mayonji, that is the mama mountain gorilla. I've been working on Matondo. He is finished. So without further ado, let me show you. The last time we were together, I had an arm done, but I still had to do another arm, both legs, both hands, and both feet. And well, they're done. So let me introduce you Matondo as a completely finished little baby boy mountain gorilla. Oh my gosh, isn't he so cute, you guys? He turned out absolutely amazing. Again, Mama Mayonji was done in a black fox fur, and I have done baby boy Matondo in a black eyelash yarn. And I did do it holding 2 strands together, and then I just used a gray cotton yarn to create all the facial features, his belly, his hands, and his feet. But oh my gosh, he is so cute, so adorable. So you will start seeing him sitting back there with Mama Mayonji. Now, I did say that I was going to make him a sister, and now I made Mayonji in a size K hook, which is a 6.5 millimeter hook. And then I also made Matondo in the same size K 6.5 millimeter hook. For his sister, I am going to use a eye hook, which is a 5.5 millimeter. So she'll be slightly smaller than him, not by a whole lot, but just a little bit. She'll be a little bit smaller than him. But then you knew that when I was experimenting, trying to find the size that I wanted, sorry about that, we're just going to roll with it, that I was playing around and I made a much smaller head, and that's when I decided to go with the larger hooks. But I started with this one with a small head, and I decided to go ahead and turn it into a very tiny, tiny, preemie little gorilla. I am going to make it a girl. And I had several of you who helped me out by coming up with names for the gorilla, well, for the sister gorilla. And I want to share that the name that I've decided on is a name that Tiffany from Little Crafty Bits provided, and it is Malika. So Matondo's sister is going to be Malika. And then this little one that I've decided to also make a girl, I have chosen a name that one of you have come up with, and it is from Kim from Southern Winter, and it is McKenna. So we will have Mayonji the mama, Matondo the baby brother, and Malika and McKenna as the little sisters. So all I have left on McKenna is her hands, and I do have one little hand made, so I'll just need to get that sewn on. And so I need to make the other hand, and then I need to make both of her legs and her feet. and then she will be, oh, and a bow for her head, and then she will be finished. So hopefully I'll have her finished next week, but she is not part of the Crafts of the Heart project per se. She's just something I'm doing on the side since I had already created the head and the eyes, if you'll remember. But I will start Malika and hopefully have a good bit done on her next week to share with you. But that is my Crafts of the Heart project for this week, and it concludes project number 7, and Malika will be project number 8. So looking forward to starting that with you. Again, thank you to all of you that are participating, and for all of you who are supporting us by watching, please be sure and leave a joy thumb and support the channel and support all of those that are participating. But now, if you will, stay for just a few more minutes and let's look at all of our Crafts of the Heart family and the projects they're working on and their updates. And until next week, be joyful, stay crafty in your own way, make your own joyful creations, be the joy in everything you do, and live your joy. And I'll see you next week. Bye.